Hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. So what is going on in the markets right now? It is the great sector rotation. What happens during a sector rotation is very simple. It doesn't mean that new cash is coming in, okay? It means that things are being sold. Okay, it's like this. Let's say you had, $100,000 in an account, right? And it's fully invested, and you've got a ratio of say 60% tech and 40% financials. Okay, just to kind of keep it very simple. And then all of a sudden something changes. Um, and all of a sudden it's like, wow, we need to swap that. We need to go actually 40% tech and 60% financials. Okay, well, you're fully invested. It doesn't mean you're just going to start buying financials. You've got to sell tech and then use that money to buy financials. Okay, so what does that cause the markets to do? So it's probably better just to look at it by sector. So here's tech. Okay, tech getting hammered today, down 2%, but financials up 1.4%. Okay, so that's what I mean by something like this where you get a very, very hardcore sector rotation. Now, how long is it going to last? It's going to last until the allocations are done. So we don't know exactly when that date is. It's just that when you've got a situation like this, and they've got to increase their exposure to financials, it's something that's not like, oh, let's wait for a pullback, let's relax. It's got to happen like very soon. So we don't know how long this is going to continue going on, but if you're going to be following the money, you want to be doing it in, where the money is going, right? So with Goldman's, like Goldman Sachs has been one of the stronger financials, and this is when we got in the trading room. So you can see here the 210 calls, now a triple, okay, and just continuing to keep going. We still got 15 days here, and then these out of the money calls that were 10 cents now $4.95, and just insanity in terms of the move. And then we also had a larger put credit spread that we'd sold and bought it back today for like 25 cents. And that's the kind of stuff that's going on in this market, which makes it kind of exciting. Now, and just real quick, that Goldman Sachs trade, that was one that we did in our live trading room this week. If you are not a member of our live trading room, you can go to simpleroptions.com/gold, and we're going to have a member appreciation week next week. We're going to spend a lot of extra time explaining the type of trades that we do and the kind of things that we look for. And you can check that out for 30 days for just $7. And if you're working and can't be in front of your computer full time, i.e. to get all the benefits from the live trading room, that's okay because we send out text alerts for our trades, and we are also starting to send out text alerts that are general market updates. Okay, and this is the kind of thing that I wish I would have had when I was starting out. When I was starting out trading, and I remember I was in college, and then I was working at corporate America, and I was sitting there and I was frustrated because I just wanted more free time. And I started to get to the point where I kind of understood the markets, but I didn't have time to look at the markets all day, and I got frustrated because I would miss setups. And the whole idea of this is that you can actually sit there and, if you are working full time, you can get a text alert saying, hey, I really like this Goldman Sachs trade, and this is what we're doing. And be able to kind of take advantage of what's going on in the markets without having to sit there and stare at it all day because you don't have time to do it. And it's just something that I wish I would have had. It would have allowed me to kind of break free from corporate America a lot sooner. All right. Anyway, I hope it helps. Join us on the trial, and you guys have a great one, and we'll see you at the next update.